Hey guys, Google launched their brand new model Google 3.6 Flash. Just like 3.5 Flash, it comes with three different tiers: low, medium, and high. So you can adjust the thinking effort based on your task. And the best part, it already updated in anti-gravity. So you can easily test this model completely free of cost. So let's start this video. First, we will talk about the benchmarks. If you take a look at the official benchmark sheet on the screen right now, Google has made a massive architecture upgrade over Gemini 3.5 Flash and Gemini 3.1 Pro, while standing toe to toe with premium models like GPT 5.6 Luna, Grok 4.5, and Claude Sonnet 5. Com- let's break down where Gemini 3.6 Flash absolutely destroy the competition. In computer use and OS automation, Gemini 3.6 Flash scores a dominant 83%, taking the number one spot on the tier chart. It outright beats Claude Sonnet 5, which scores 81.2% and completely crushed GPT 5.6 Luna, that is 72.6%. Charts and visual reasoning. When you give a complex chart and synthesis tools, it hits an astounding 89.4% and 85.2% with tools, ranking as the highest score model of the entire board. In long video understanding, for developers and creator processing video content, Gemini 3.6 Flash scores 83.2%, leaving Sonnet 5 down at 68.5% and GPT 5.6 Luna at 71.2%. In machine learning and SWE engineering, it jumps to 63.9% and easily beating GPT 5.6 Luna, that is 47.6%, and also Grok, which is 43.2%. On deep SWE long horizon, software engineering jumped from 37% up to 49%. So now about pricing. Google kept the input token at $1.50 per million, but slashed the output token price down to $7.50 per million, making it even cheaper than 3.5 Flash while giving you a flagship performance. So now let's talk about how you can actually use this model right now. If you open Antigravity, you will see a Gemini 3.6 Flash showing. Either you can use low, medium, or high thinking efforts, and you can directly use this model as it's an instant model, so you can directly use this without any issues. And just like Gemini 3.5 Flash, if you are using it, it acts like the same but with a better performance. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt or anything, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to provide you the solution as soon as possible. So that's all about today's video guys, and I hope you like it. So make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and don't forget to subscribe it. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.